In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see the server region here in Roblox. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more Roblox content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But seeing the server region here in Roblox is actually pretty simple once you do know the steps, so let's get right into this. First things first, on your browser, on your PC or laptop, open up a new tab, and what you're going to want to go ahead and do is search for the Roblox server region extension or tool. This specific extension is going to be BTR Roblox, just like so. Click on the first option for the Chrome Web Store and hit add to store and then hit add extension. It's going to load for a second and then you'll see it is added to Chrome just like so. From here, either open up a new tab and go to roblox.com or return to a previous tab and refresh the page, and that extension is going to begin taking effect. Now, when you click on the little settings gear up here, you're going to see a BTR settings icon right here. Select that just like so. And within here, you're going to see an option that does say advanced down at the bottom. Go ahead and tick that open. And you'll see an option that says game details, show server region. Select that and put it on region. Now you can close out of these settings, open up whatever game you would like. And when you scroll down and maybe go to something like the servers, just like so, you'll see the region right here. And that's that. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.